Out about us. What do you mean, us? Well, like, aren't you my girlfriend now? Oh, you mean like you own me? I'm sorry. Ugh, you're always apologizing. Just tell me what you want. You should know what I want. Watch out on the beat.
Now really, when we go back then to falling in love and say it's crazy, falling. You see, we don't say rising into love. There is in it the idea of the fall. And it goes back, as a matter of fact, to extremely fundamental things. That there is always a curious...
Ngisemathandweni nawe love. Ngisemathandweni nawe love. Ngisemathandweni nawe love. Ngisemathandweni nawe love.
The life is an act of faith and an act of gamble. The moment you take a step, you do so on an act of faith because you don't really know that the floor is not going to give under your feet. The moment you take a journey, what an act of faith. The moment you enter into any kind of undertaking, what an act of faith. You've given yourself up. But this is the
Bengo wako sandwa sami, bengo wako lavi wami, bengo wako muntu wami. Ngisemathandweni nawe love. Ngisemathandweni nawe love.